I'm Gaurav Ratnapalki from Technical Research Department. Let us now look at technical view on equity market. This is daily chart of Nifty, and as can be seen from this chart, Nifty opened on positive note today and traded with strong bullish bias throughout the day. As a result, it has formed a large bullish candle for the day. However, the larger picture shows that the trend is still down, and today's move is nothing but a counter trend pullback. In terms of wave structure, we can see that today's move was a fourth wave pullback, which is likely to subside near upper end of the falling channel. So we maintain our short-term bias down with reversal at 85.60, and on the other hand, target from short-term perspective will be 82.30. Now we move on to hourly chart. This is hourly chart of Nifty, and here we can see that Nifty had taken support near multiple trend lines, and from there it has entered pullback mode. And in today's session, it has crossed its crucial hourly moving averages. However, it has halted near its hourly upper Bollinger Band. So it can stretch further for a few points. However, overall sell-on rise should be the strategy with reversal at 85.60. The hourly momentum indicator has reached the zero line, and here on it can start a new cycle on the downside. So overall, the probability is still in favor of bears until the time Nifty trades below 85.60. Now we'll move on to Bank Nifty. The structure is more or less similar in case of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Even Bank Nifty formed a pullback. In fact, it has been forming the pullback since last couple of sessions, and it is also trading in a short-term falling channel and is heading towards upper end of the channel, which is likely to bring in fresh selling pressure. So overall, we maintain our bias down for Bank Nifty as well. The daily momentum indicator is also indicating further downside potential. Crucial supports are placed at 18,235 and 17,935. Crucial resistances are 18,625 and 18,780.